Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit on that subscribe button before leaving, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. In today's tutorial, we will be doing DIY passion twist using this new hair from Darlyn twist. Guys, when this passion twist came out, I wanted to do it so bad, but I couldn't get the hair. I saw most people using free tress, and free tress is not available in Ghana. I tried purchasing it online. Oh my god, the shipment fee was so huge, and so I had to wait or find an alternative way. And so I went to my beauty supply store and found this new passion twist, which I was so excited about. I purchased 2 packs of those, and each pack comes in 35 strands with of the passion twist. 2 packs will be 70 strands, and each strand I splitted it into 2. So in total I had 140 passion twists, which should be enough for a full head. So moving on, you saw me wrapping this shoelace around my chair. That's because I wanted a place to help me do the pre-make these passion twists. So this is to tell you that you can use anything. You can use yarn, you can use like anything you have just to create the loop that you'll be crocheting with. How I do this is very simple. So after splitting the hair, I wrap it around the lace, and then I start doing like a regular twist, like you are braiding your natural hair. Not too tight, not twisting, nothing, just braid it freely. And once you release it, you will get like this nice springy effect. So I just continue braiding till I get to the end, and that's it. So throughout the whole process, that is what we'll be doing. I'm gonna make it like very slow for you to get an idea of what I want to demonstrate. But basically, just take your hair, wrap it around the shoelace or anything that you have around, wrap it around it, then begin twisting. Don't twist the hair, braid it freely like how I'm showing you here. Braid it freely, and once you are done and you release the hair, you will get this nice springy, like not too straight, not too nice, not too good, you know what I mean? Yes, that is the passion twist. That is the beauty of this hair. So I continue to repeat the process like over and over and over again, so that those that can't get it at the beginning will eventually get it in the middle or at the end of the video. So I'm gonna stop talking because there's nothing to talk about, or there's nothing to show you guys about. Just watch how I'm doing it, and that's basically it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for the installation of this video. If you want to see how it looked on me or how I installed it, stay tuned. Right after this video goes up, it will follow. So be sure to subscribe so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. Okay? Thumbs up this video, as I previously said, if you found it helpful. And if you want to see more DIY tutorials, more hair tutorials, anything at all, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And until next week, stay fab, stay beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in my next tutorial. Also, I'll try and find a link to this hair in the description, so if you want to purchase it, you can. If not, I'll just put a name, or any other product that I used will just be listed in the description box down below. So make sure you check it out. Okay, bye.